Hello students, you are welcome back to the second session of the topic articles. In the earlier video, I told you about the usage of the indefinite articles a and an. And today I am going to tell you the usage of the definite article the. So, let's start it. So, students, the words a and an are called indefinite articles because they do not point to any special thing or person. Whereas the word the, that is known as the definite article, points to a specific person or thing. So let us begin and let me tell you where do we use the definite article the. Clear? So first of all, we use the definite article before a particular person, place or thing. For example, I need the pen which you bought yesterday. Now which pen? The pen. The pen which you bought yesterday. So that particular pen which you bought yesterday, it is the specific reference, the particular thing. Fine? Okay. One more example now. I am going to the park near my house. So, what does it mean? It means that park which is near my house. Okay. Or she is the girl I met her in the park. So, that girl whom I met in the park. Now, the definite article the is also used before the singular noun when singular noun indicates or represents the whole class of noun. For example, the tiger is an endangered species. That means not the single tiger, but all the tigers in general. They are endangered. Now, with one more example, you just understand. The cow is a useful animal. Now, the cow. That means not a single cow, but the cows are useful in general. So, one single noun, the tiger, the cow, representing the whole class of noun. So, now the definite article the is also used before the names of rivers, seas, oceans, lakes, mountain ranges, deserts, etc. For example, the Alps, the Indian Ocean, the Black Sea, the Ganga, the Sahara. So, before their names, we use the article the. Fine. Okay. Similarly, we also use the definite article the before the names of countries, but not all countries. Only the names of countries which have united or republic in them. For example, the USA, United States of America, the United Kingdom. But if I say the India, it is absolutely wrong. Now, we also use the definite article the before the names of newspapers, magazines, or sacred books. For example, the Hindu, the Times of India, the Tribune, the India Today, it's a magazine, the Gita, it's a sacred book, you must be knowing. And we also use it before the names of some historical buildings or monuments. For example, the Taj Mahal, the Qutub Minar. And the next, the definite article the is also used before the objects which are unique in the universe. The unique objects, what are they? They are the sun, the moon, the earth, right? Before these, we also use a definite article the. Now, before the words indicating directions, for example, the sun rises in the east, the west, the north are the words indicating the directions. Fine. Then the definite article the is also used before the names of some important events. They may be of the past, they may be of the present. For example, the first war of independence. The French Revolution. The First World War. Right? Okay. And then the definite article the is also used before the names of any organization, political parties, or banks. For example, the Red Cross Society, the Congress, the BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party, the State Bank of India, the Punjab National Bank, etc. Right? Now the next, it is used before the name of any nationality, any particular race or communities. For example, the blacks the whites, the French, the Hindu, the Muslim, right? Then we also use a definite article before the parts of the body when these are referred to in an impersonal way. For example, he was hit on the head. Head is the part of the body and the is being used before head. One more example I'll give here. I have the pain in the arm. And now after this, the next. Students, you all need to keep these usage in mind while doing the article the. Okay. So now after this, the definite article the is used before ordinal adjectives. The is used before ordinal adjectives. Now what are they? They are the first, second, third, fourth, and so on. So before them also we use a definite article the. And it is also used before the use of superlatives. Now what are superlatives? Yes, for example, he is the tallest boy in the class. Now, tallest is a superlative degree of tall. So, before tallest, we need to use the word the article the. Fine. Okay. And now, students, I am closing this video here only, but there is more to tell you. So, I'll soon be there with the second part of the definite article the. Take care.